Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both apps so integration is smooth. Open Google Maps and Waze. Make sure each app is updated and signed into. This avoids account conflicts. Once done, grant location and background permissions and enable notifications so directions can remain active while driving. Now, in Google Maps settings, find the navigation preferences that let you choose an external app for alerts. This is the doorway to using Waze voice and alerts while keeping Maps as your primary map. You now connect Waze from inside Google Maps. Go to Settings, then Navigation Settings, and choose the option that integrates third-party alerts or sound guidance. Select Waze. Doing this instructs Maps to route audible alerts and incident updates from Waze, while Maps handles routing visuals. Make sure to allow Maps to launch Waze for traffic incidents and police or hazard alerts. This handoff reduces duplicated prompts. Once configured, perform a quick test drive route to verify that voice prompts and alerts pass through correctly. Finish by testing and adjusting settings so the experience is reliable. You should run a short route. Listen for Waze alerts and ensure Google Maps displays the map. If you don't hear prompts, make sure notification and background permissions are still enabled and that no battery saver is restricting either app. If problems persist, clear app cache, reboot your device, or reinstall Waze and Maps in that order. One key troubleshooting tip: verify which app is set as the default navigation app. Resetting it often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.